In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can run faster here in Fall Guys. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's a few things that you're going to want to do, and it kind of depends on your platform, so we're breaking them all down here in this video. But before we get into the speed trick, there's something that you should check. Sometimes the controller thumbstick isn't registering 100% when you push it forward. It might only be registering 80 to 90%, which means your character will not run at full speed at all. And here's what you can do to fix that. Try a different controller, clean your thumbsticks, and of course, make sure you're pushing fully forward. If your input isn't hitting the maximum threshold, other players will look faster even when they're not. If you're on PC, go ahead and update your graphics drivers and make sure Windows is fully updated, as well as lower your graphics settings if needed. Higher frame rates can make movement feel smoother and more responsive. But the actual technique is called the bunny hop. All you got to do is continuously tap or spam the jump button while moving forward, and this will work especially well on any speed boost section, downhill areas, or during racing rounds. As long as you do this correctly, and it's pretty easy, you just got to spam jump, you can glide past players even when they hit the boost the same time as you. To make it even further, what you can do is jump, and while you're in mid-air, hit the dive button, and this will give you a more forward distance and momentum boost. So the combo is essentially jump, 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 dive, repeat. You'll move so much faster and, further, as well as maintain full speed. On PlayStation, X is going to be jump. On Xbox, A is going to be jump. And if you want to change your jump button, you could go to the main menu and then you could go to options just like so, and then go to either controller settings or, keyboard settings, whatever it might be for you, and just change the keybind button just like so. I'm actually on mouse and keyboard right now, so I'd change it just like here, but I'm just going to keep it at space because that just makes more sense. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.